Fatal incident in AVU due to H2S exposure. Around 11:15 hours, the contract employee engaged in the opening of bolts on the upper shell working on exchange scaffolding platform became unconscious and fell on the platform. His safety harness was anchored onto the scaffold, which did not allow the employee to escape by unlocking from the area. Area operator and maintenance engineer, during their regular round, reached the site of the incident. With help of the production and other employees, they rescued the unconscious contract employee. Ambulance was summoned and the affected employee was rushed to the first aid center within the Mathura refinery, and from there he was immediately shifted to Swarna Jayanti Samudayak Hospital, Mathura. Though after his initial treatment, he expired due to cardiopulmonary arrest.
Your safety is in your hands. Subscribe to Tele Safety Solutions and stay protected.